What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Harley-Davidson Springer Softail. I love these Springers, guys. Look at that front end. Look at the chrome. Oh my gosh. Glistening in the sun/moonlight. Oh man, I love these bikes. I'm missing the rear seat bolt. I will get a new one here. It's got two little scratches right there in the rear fender. Plenty of tread left on the tires. This bike is freaking awesome. It does have some bluing in the pipes. It looks like something got burnt on. I tried getting it off. Might need a little more intensive care than what I could give it. Bluing on the pipes. This all looks really good though. The tank is in phenomenal shape, guys. A couple tiny scratches. That front end just looks so good. I love this logo on the front. It just looks so old school. It's just some sticker stuff. Couple little scuffs right there on the front fender. This chrome just looks amazing. This is all good on this side. Has this cool little bag down here. This looks like real leather. Doesn't look like some cheap little bag some guy bought. Willie Max. It's got the key in it. Sick sunglass case. Top of the tank's in great shape. Let's see what the mileage is on this thing. 12,061. Oh my gosh. Let's fire it up. Got the chrome covers on all of the buttons here, guys. For any of you guys Harley guys out there, you know what this bike is, you know what these Springers do. You know 12,000 miles on a Springer. These things, you don't see these everywhere. People freaking love these bikes. They're super cool, classic looking bike. This bike will not last long at all. I think I have it at 9,900 bucks. It's a freaking awesome bike. Like I said, guys, if you're a Harley guy, you know exactly what this bike is. You know exactly why you want it. You know exactly why you need it. You know why now it's in your garage as we speak. You already bought it from me. You're watching the video. It's already purchased. Guys, this bike's freaking awesome. 2005 Springer, 12,000 miles on it. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.